Hello and welcome again to another video. So today I'm going to show you how you can use Nano tool and a brief description how you can use it in your day-to-day life. So if you are using Linux or you are new in Linux and you don't know about the Nano tool, then I'm going to explain it today. So for an example, let me open my documents. Okay, so as you can see, this is my file manager and I don't have any file over here. So let me go to the sudo first. So I'm going to switch my user. So for that I'm going to use sudo. So now it's asking for the password. Okay, so let me put my password. Okay, I think I have entered a wrong password. Okay, so I am inside of the root now. So I have switched my user from normal account to root account. So now I am in root. So if I type who am I and hit enter, so as you can see it's saying root. Okay, so once we are inside of the root, what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a file. So let me create a file. Okay, so as you can see I don't have any file over here. Okay, now how you can use Nano tool? So I can just simply type cd, then home, then my username that I'm using. As you can see I'm using this user Innovate IT lab. Okay, and so I have to mention this. Okay, then I'm going to type documents and then hit enter. Now if I type pwd and hit enter, it's saying that I am inside of the home directory of the Innovate IT lab, and then documents means this folder over here, this folder. Now I'm going to type Nano. Okay, so basically Nano is a text editor tool. Okay, we can edit text. There are many kind of text editor available for Linux user. So I'm going to use Nano. Okay, there are other also like Vim. Okay, you can use Vim, then Linkpad, all the others, whichever is your favorite one or whichever makes you comfortable. I normally use Nano and Vim. Okay, so I'm going to do, I'm going to create a file from here. So using the Nano tool I can create a file also. So I'm going to type Nano, then I'm going to type the file on this particular folder. Okay, on the document folder. That's why I have changed the directory to the documents. Now I'm going to type a file. Let's type text. Okay, then hit enter. Now what is happening, it's going to create a file. Okay, now I have already like inside of the text file, as you can see text file. Now I'm going to type something over here. Okay, so I have inserted the information that is required. Okay, you can type anything from here or you can edit anything from here. And now if you like check these options on the bottom of the terminal, you can see there are some options. So it's saying that if you press G, then it's going to take you to the help option. This is for the write out, this is for the search. Like if you wanted to search anything inside of this file, then you can use Control and W. If you want to cut something, then you can use then you can use Control plus K and the other options. So I have like already inserted the text, the information I wanted. Now I'm going to save it. So to do that I have to type Control plus X. So I'm going to type Control plus X. Okay, now it's saying save your modified buffer. Okay, it's asking me to save this file which is not been saved yet. Okay, because this is the location it's going to be saved. So I'm going to press Y for that. Okay, now it's saying that file name that you are going to save. So I have already inserted the name text when I type the Nano tool. So it's asking, do you want to use this or you want to change it? So if you want to change it, you can change it from here, or if you want to use this, then just leave it like this. Then you have to press enter. Once you do that, you can see there is a file created. Now it's showing with the lock icon because I am using the root user. Okay, I'm using the root user, but if I go to the another tab, let's say I go to the another tab, then I go to the again cd home, document. Okay, then I type the same thing, nano test 2. Let's say this file name that I'm going to use, it's test 2. Then hit enter. Then I can again type something like, okay, so I have typed whatever information is required. Then again I'm going to use the control X. Okay, then place Y, then give the name again, then hit enter. You can see this is the file is created. Okay, this is the log symbol because I have the root, like I created with the root, so you need root permission to edit this. If I click on this file, okay, it's going to be open, but you can see it's saying read only. You can't edit this file unless you use the root user. But in this case you can see it's totally normal. So if I open this, it's saying that this is a test file and it's not in the read only mode, so I can do anything, I can type anything. Okay, so you can use the nano tool to create a file also, and you can use it to edit also. So how you can do that? Okay, let's go back to the our main home directory. So right now if I type pwd, so you can see I'm inside of the home and document. Okay, so I can't open that document file by typing the nano tool. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to type nano, then I'm going to give the path of the file. So I have to type home innovated IT lab, documents, then I'm going to type test 2 and hit enter. Okay, and now you can see this particular file is open. It's saying that this is a test file that we have like typed earlier. So I can make changes from here. Like if I go to the second line and I type that Innovate IT lab, and then again I can type something else. Okay, so this is the tool that is used by many Linux user and it's really convenient. Okay, then I can hit control plus X, then save the file once more. Okay, so I can save the file, and if I open this file once again, you can see the line is now added. So this is how you can use the nano tool. Okay, it's really convenient. So if you find any value from this video, please like this video and subscribe my channel, and I'm going to see you to another video. Thank you so much for watching and have a nice day.